What would you think if it was you who had gone to the tomb first and discovered it empty? The meaning of Easter is the resurrection of Jesus Christ. It is the whole crux of our faith. 1 Corinthians 15:14 tells us, if Christ be not risen, then our preaching is in vain and our faith is in vain. We get to celebrate Easter. We get to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. My encouragement to you today is this: don't waste this opportunity to tell others about the meaning of Easter. We should not be scared of the meaning of Easter. We should not be shy about the meaning of Easter. We should be sharing it with others. We should be telling others that Jesus Christ is risen and He lives today. And it's so amazing. So this Easter, don't waste this opportunity. Share the gospel with others.